Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This is the Q20 NewWear watch from Banggood. It retails at £25. You get a little card, also comes with H-band QR code to download the app, and within the box obviously you get the watch in a plastic bag. And you get a USB magnetic charger which will clip to your watch. You can charge through that, and you also get a manual. To take the watch out of the plastic bag, it does have a metal wristband. The watch is all metal all round, and a nice glossy 2.5D curved glass, which is Gorilla Glass as well. Not sure what version of Gorilla Glass, but there's Gorilla Glass on there. And on the back, that's obviously where your heart rate sensor sits, and there seems to be a little peely thing off there. Peel that off, and yeah, that reveals the underside or the back of the smartwatch. Okay, so here it is, closer look. It is an all metal body, and it has Gorilla Glass, apparently. Gorilla Glass, I'm not sure what version, but it's edge to edge screen as well. I really like the design. It's a metal strap with the magnetic clip on it as well. This, I believe, is going to be a little bit tricky to get on my wrist, because you've got to thread that through there. Only one hand really. Come on. Oh, it's coming. Okay, so it's magnetic, this clip, so it'll clip anywhere. Pull it tight, and there we go. Okay, feels comfortable. It's good. Now with the sensor in it, it should wake up when you bring it up. Yes, it does. So this is max brightness. You've got one little button there at the bottom, touch sensitive button. The actual whole screen is not touch screen, it's just one button controlled, flicking through the menus. Heart rate, you should see. Yeah, it's all flashing under there. It's got to be over 80. Having just walked up them stairs. Oh, 73. Flick through, blood pressure, sports, message, and more. And to select them, you have to keep your finger on there until it changes, and you have some menus through there. But obviously, I'm going to test this now. Obviously, it is Bluetooth, so I've got to connect it to my phone yet, and then let's shut it down. Keep finger on it, and it vibrates. Yeah, we're going to go test it now. Let's turn it back on, actually. Keep your finger on it. Oh, straight back on, straight away. That's the display. You have battery level there, and I think that one to the left is a Bluetooth indicator. And if you keep your finger on that, you can change clock face. So select that. Let's do that one. There we go. That's pretty cool. Okay, so that's the NewWear Q20 Smartwatch from Banggood. Links are in the description below. This is an unboxing and a quick look at it. Looks pretty smart. Magnetic band, metal wrist. Metal wrist? Metal band. That should clip off. If I had smaller hands, I could probably be able to get them, squeeze this off like that, but no, it comes apart. If you've got small hands, then it should pop on like that. If you've got big hands like myself, then you might struggle to get it on. But this is the Q20 watch, guys. It's pretty smart, and I'll come back with a full review soon. Bye-bye.